everyone! In this video, we will be making our easy ornament. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is cut a 12-inch piece of wire and shape it into a circle about 3 inches in diameter. If you're struggling with this, a great trick is to wrap it around a cup to get that perfect shape. Now that you have your wreath shape, you'll want to alternate sliding on red and green beads. We did 11 red and 10 green. Once all your beads are on, wrap the wire ends around each other to secure the shape of your wreath. Find your eye pin and slide a green, red, and another green bead onto it. Then form a loop to make a bead link. Now it's time to make the ornament hanger. Cut a 5-inch piece of wire and spiral each end in opposite directions. Again, if you're struggling, wrapping it around a glue stick is the perfect shape you need. Then, connect the hanger to a loop on one side of the bead link. Find your head pin and slide a clear C bead, a red triangle bead, another clear C bead, a clear drum bead, a clear C bead, and a red triangle bead onto it. Do this one more time, then form a loop to make a beaded drop. Get another eye pin and slide a green bead onto it to form a loop to make a bead link. Now connect the loop on the bead link to the loop on the beaded drop. Open a 6mm jump ring and slide the loops on both bead links onto it. Keeping in mind the hanger should be above the wreath so you can hang your ornament, go ahead and close your jump ring.